We are 100% sure that you watch YouTube videos every single day. But don't you wish that you could get paid doing so? Imagine getting paid every day for something that you love to do. If that's something that you want to know about, then this is the perfect video for you. Today's method is available worldwide, which means it won't even matter where you come from. You can totally join in on today's method. What's even better? The whole process is free. The whole thing is free. You don't need to make any cash advancements or investments. I'd fasten my seatbelt if I were you because this ride's going to be a good one. Now make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so that you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss any important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now remember that this method is completely free and it's supposed to be available worldwide. But if there are some complications with where you're from, then let us know in the comments down below and tell us where you're from too. We want everyone to comment on what country you're from so that we can make more future videos based on your guys' countries. The website that we are about to show you is going to be our main money-making website for today. This is the website that you're going to be earning points from that you can exchange to cash. Now, as soon as we show you the website, make sure that you don't just click off this video and go straight to the website, because there is a very specific process that you need to learn to be able to exchange your points and make it cash. So you definitely need to watch all throughout this whole video, or else you won't be able to make any money at all. So to begin the whole process, we want you to go on your default browser and then type in addmefast.com and hit enter on that. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to this webpage right here. Now, as you can see over here, AddMeFast is a network that will help you grow your social presence. We allow you to look and choose who you want to like, subscribe, follow, view, and skip those you're not interested in. AddMeFast helps you to increase Facebook likes, Facebook shares, followers, post likes, post shares, and many more, all the way to SoundCloud and TikTok, Telegram, everything. Okay? Now, AddMeFast does not sell likes, subscribers, followers, views, or hits. Okay? They will never request for usernames and passwords, so your privacy is kept very confidential, all of your information, and easy registration. Okay, 200 points at start. So literally, as soon as you sign up, you get 200 points to start, and if you are active daily, you get 400 daily bonus points if you are an active user. That is also for free. So basically what this website does is that you can exchange YouTube likes or YouTube views or Facebook likes or followers and all of that. And today you're going to see how exactly this is going to help you make money just by watching YouTube videos. But don't worry, you don't need to have a YouTube channel that has a lot of subscribers or whatever. Just continue watching. Anyway, you can read more about this website on the website itself if you just want to have a clearer understanding of what this website really does. You can literally create a new YouTube channel without any subs, any views, any videos. You won't even need a profile picture. So literally, don't worry. Also, you don't need to post or create any videos for your YouTube channel, so don't worry about that either. So just go on ahead and make yourself a brand new YouTube channel. Next step is to click on try for free now over here. And as soon as you click on that, this should pop up on your screen. Next, you will need to register, so just provide all of the sign up details that are being asked and then sign up as soon as you've completed everything. As soon as you do that, you will be sent a confirmation email that you will obviously have to check out and confirm to make sure that the email that you've provided is a working email. Now note that this email might be found in your spam folder, so make sure to check your spam if you won't find it in your main inbox. So just click here to confirm, and that link should send you to your AdMeFast account right away. Now this is how the dashboard should look like. And on the left hand side, you'll see that you can leave interactions like Facebook likes, Twitter followers, TikTok followers, and so many more. Basically, anything that you can find over here, you can offer and you can get. And you can also leave your Facebook account or TikTok or Twitter or Instagram on here if you want followers or likes or shares or whatever it is that you want. It's more like a follow for follow or likes for likes. That's a much easier concept to be able to really fully understand what this website really does for us. But we aren't here to collect any likes or anything like that. We're here to watch some YouTube videos and collect some points to make into money. And the way to do this is to scroll a little bit lower while still focusing on the categories on the left-hand side. And now we want you to look for YouTube views. Okay, here it is. Now, of course, you can do everything on here if you want, but since making money by watching YouTube videos is our method for today, then this is what we will be focusing on, okay? YouTube views. Now, once you click on that, you should see something like this where it will say, view this video for so and so seconds to get so and so points. And all you need to do is click on view video right here, and then we will need to watch it for how many seconds we were required to, and there should be a counter, so make sure to just stay as soon as it's done watching. Just confirm you're not a robot, and then your total points will be immediately updated, as you can see on the top right here. So that was quick and very easy, right? And then I can do it again if I want to, and just do this method repeatedly as much as I want to, as much as I can. There literally is no limit to this, which just makes it 10 times better, okay? Now all of these points I can exchange for Facebook likes, Facebook points, and all of the good stuff. And it's important to remember this part because it's a very crucial part when it comes to having to convert the points into money. Now, they also have a great referral program on the right side of this webpage. You'll see a referral link, and all you need to do is grab it and share it so other people can sign up and earn too using your link, so you can do that as well. And on the left hand side again, you'll see there are some daily bonuses that you can actually check out. So if you are active daily, you can get 500 points or more every single day, which is really great, but it would require you to be an active user, so make sure that you log in every day and try your best to make some activity on the website. Now we're going to see how we can make money out of these points. So when you have those points, you already know that you can trade them for Facebook likes or follows or whatever, right? Now we want you to go on playerup.com, and then we want you to scroll all the way down until you see all other games / marketplaces, and then click on that. And then as soon as you click on that, go ahead and click on the letter F so that it will filter out all of the letter F marketplaces or games, and then you'll see all the letter F results. Right now, we want you to find Facebook and then click on that. And as you can see over here, you can buy and sell Facebook friends, accounts, comments, followers, likes, and everything. But let's focus on Facebook likes, Facebook followers, and Facebook shares. Now, if we click on Facebook likes, for example, you will see that there are people selling 200 Facebook likes for $2 and even $20 over here. And if you actually do a little more research, there are other websites that sell Facebook likes or whatever for a lot more. But for you, all you need to do is go on AdMeFast, watch YouTube videos for at least 30 seconds, and then get points that you can exchange for followers or likes, and all for completely free. It's like a special loop, and then you can sell all of those that you gain for a lot of money, all at your own price and all at your own pace. Okay, so if they're selling 200 Facebook likes at that rate, then that means you can sell 1,000 Facebook likes for over $15. And how this works is that you go on this website, right? And then click on login or sign up right here. And then you'll sign up and post your listing, and then someone will pay you $15 or how much you're selling 1,000 Facebook likes for, and you will get that money immediately into your PayPal account. Now, the way this works is that they will give you their Facebook URL, so you should grab that link and then you go back to Add Me Fast. Then you will click on Add Site/Page. Then you will select how many points you want to give. Let's put 10 points per like, and then save changes, and that's it. You've made $15 by watching YouTube videos. That's basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click on the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.